it will definitely help us to create relational database, and we can go into advanced level. Okay, we can go into advanced level. One more thing I want to say, that when I click in create my account, this data goes inside a database, and that is called as backend. That is called as backend. And this page, this form for interactivity, for interaction, so that the user can interact, this form is called as front end. So whenever you get any form with which you can interact and you can input your values and data and information, that form will be called as front end. And the data and information, after you click in the submit button, it goes in a place that is called as back end. Okay, so that is also known as a database. So my dear students, I am sure that by now it is clear to you what is a database. So, and there are so many things will come. Now let's learn little bit about Microsoft Access, and slowly all the concept will come. Okay, if I don't show you Microsoft Access now, you will get bored. You will say that sir is lecturing and sir is showing nothing on Microsoft Access. So let's start Microsoft Access. So this is Microsoft Access. Okay, this is Microsoft Access. So before see, in Microsoft Access what will we do? First thing is that we have to know in Microsoft Access what we are going to do. First of all, we are going to manage our data in Microsoft Access. This question may come in your mind, sir, why need to manage data? Why it is necessary to manage data? This question may come in your mind, and if this question comes in your mind, it is really good. See, my dear students, the mobile phone that you are using, that is a managed database. Now previously there were no mobile phone, and there was your PNT lines, telephones with receiver. At that time we used to keep telephone diary with us, and we used to have around 100, sometimes 150 phone numbers. So for us, finding a phone number from that diary, it generally took nearly 5 to 7 minutes time if I really need to find a phone number from that diary, a friend's phone number from that diary. So you see how time consuming it was. For finding only one phone number, we have spent it 5 to 7 minutes time or 4 minutes time. Sometimes to find the diary also we have spent another 3 minutes time, because the diary is lost somewhere, it has gone somewhere. So you see how time consuming it was previously. But nowadays, within 1 second or within few seconds or within 7 seconds or within 5 seconds, I can find a phone number from my mobile phone. So that is why we need to manage our data properly. Now you see, you have sent me so many emails. Now some of your email contains some projects also. Now suppose if you need any projects in future, suppose if I ask you again, please resubmit the project again. So are you going to recreate the project again? No. What are you going to do? You are going to access your email address, you are going to download this preloaded or pre-uploaded projects, and you are going to send me back again. So that is why we need to manage data. See, some more examples I am going to give you, very interesting examples. So previously for doing railway reservation, we need to go and give a queue on the platform, and it takes generally 1 hour to 2 hours, sometimes more than that, because if the queue is too long, then it takes it takes so much of time, and again lots of confusion again, where to go and where from not to go, and then this date is not available, in this date tickets are available, in that day's ticket is not available, return ticket is that, so lots of problem. Now you see, because of the managed database, because the data are managed properly, because database management system is there, so we are able to do the railway reservation from our home now. From our home now easily we can do the railway reservations, and the data are again managed properly, stored properly, so we no need to carry any ticket in our pocket, any hard copy of the ticket from in our pocket. It is enough to take the mobile phone in our hand, and we can access the ticket anywhere in any place. Okay, am I right? Anywhere in any place inside the train also we can access the ticket. We no need to take any hard copy. So that is the power of database management system software. I'm sure you will learn more and more, on database management system software. You will learn more and more on database management system software. So same as year reservation also, same you take the matter of your paying of the electricity bills. Before we need to wait for a holiday to go to the electricity department, electricity office, to pay to the electricity bills, but nowadays we take it from our home, and the data are managed properly, and we can get the received instantly in our email address. So that is the power of database management system software. So you see, nowadays even a small pawn shop is also using apps like Khata Book. I am sure that you have get the advertisement of the app Khata Book. Okay, in a small pawn shop also they are using this types of apps called Khata Book. So this Khata Book is also a part of database management system software. So I am damn sure you are convinced to learn how to manage your data. So first we will think of manage our data, and then the next thing that we will think of what type of data we are going to manage. After that only we will create database. After that we will create database. So consider suppose I am considering a situation where I will be creating or I will be storing like this types of data. Suppose I will be storing like this type of data: class, section, roll number, marks. This types of data suppose I will store. Okay, suppose class, sorry, here one more thing, name. This type of data I am going to create, suppose. Okay, these types of data I am going to create, or these types of data I am going to store. I am sorry, not create. These types of data I am going to store. These types of data I am going to store. So before I go for creating any database, my view should be clear that what type of data I want to store. What type of data I want to store. My view have to be very clear. Okay, my view have to be very clear that what type of data I want to store. So I want to store these types of data, so accordingly I will create the database. Now to create the database, here I will get an option called blank database. Can you see blank database? How to open Microsoft Access? Very simple, just click in all programs. Here you will get option called Microsoft Office. Here you will get option called Microsoft Office, and in Microsoft Office this is Microsoft Office Access 2007. So here I am using the version 2007. To create the database, click in blank database. Once I click in blank database, in the other side it will ask me to name your database. Name the database or file name or your database name. Suppose the name of my database is class 10 2020. That is the name of my database. And once I click in create, my database is ready. My database is ready. Now this is the screen that I get. This is the screen that I get. Now this screen may be confusing screen for you all. This screen may be a confusing screen for you all, so I will do it slowly. I will no need to run so much, no need to jump. I will certainly I will certainly impart this education so that you can take it to your future, and this education may help you in your future. With the help of this Microsoft Access, you may lead your future. Okay, so I will not rush. So for today it is still this much, that we have created a database. We have created a database, and you see in the title bar you can see the name of my database. You can see the name of my database, class 10 2020. Okay, so today till this much. Very soon I will come up with my next videos. God bless you all, and please watch the videos.